Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how a one deal in Close CRM automatically builds a complete client project in ClickUp. Folders, tasks, and structure ready before operations even opens their laptop. After a deal closes, someone spends an hour recreating what sales already knew. Things fall through the cracks and the client feels the gap. This automation solves it. Let me walk you through how it works.
Good morning, my name is Richard, and I wanted to show you my automation, a closed CRM system that takes information closed CRM and processes it, and then creates a record and an update into ClickUp for task completion. This type of automation is something I do all the time. As a matter of fact, this one is for closed CRM to ClickUp, and I have a second one here for closed CRM to another program called Agency Andy. And this particular one creates a record and assigns a subscription and a task to that particular record. Again, very familiar with closed CRM and then maneuvering that information into another application using API. If this is interesting to you, I'd be happy to talk to you. Otherwise,
So that's the Close to ClickUp automation in action. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit 1ltx.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.